Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to delete photos from Google Photos without deleting from phone. So guys, for that you need to open your Google Photos on browsers. So just go to your browsers and then tap on the search bar and search photos.google.com. Now select the photo you want to delete and tap on it, and then tap on the delete icon. Now tap on move to trash, and the photo has been deleted, and this photo will not be deleted from your gallery. So guys, that's how you can delete photos from Google Photos without deleting from phone. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.